I received our country's first consignment of Covid-19 vaccines. The consignment, consisting of 1 million doses of the Covishield vaccine produced by the Serum Institute in India.
The President of South Africa, Cyril Ramaphosa, has promised that nobody will be forced to take the COVID-19 vaccine as the country on Monday received its first batch. Mr. Ramaphosa said in a televised address that approximately 2 million of those doses were expected to be released by March.
South Africa was one of the countries where clinical trials were held to assess the drug's efficacy. The arrival of these vaccines contains the promise that we can turn the tide on this disease that has caused so much devastation and hardship in our country and across the world. The speed and scale at which new vaccines have been developed is unprecedented in human history and represents the monumental progress that humanity has achieved in the face of a common threat. It is in the best interests of all that as many of us receive the vaccine as possible. But I want to be clear, nobody will be forced to take this vaccine. I want to repeat, nobody will be forced to take this vaccine. Nobody will be forbidden from traveling to wherever they want to travel to, including from enrolling at school or from taking part in any public activity if they have not been vaccinated. Nobody will be given this vaccine against their will, nor will the vaccine be administered in secret or in some dark corners. Any rumors to this effect are both false and dangerous, and we would like those who are spreading these rumors to stop.
The COVAX program, which is backed by the World Health Organization (WHO) and the Gavi Vaccine Alliance, seeks to ensure fair access to COVID-19 vaccines for low and middle-income countries. Ramaphosa also said that his government would ensure that all residents of the country could be vaccinated regardless of their citizenship. The country's 1 million AstraZeneca vaccine doses produced by Serum Institute of India are expected to be used to vaccinate frontline health workers starting in mid-February. Medical workers have been battling an increase in COVID-19 infections during a second wave in the country. South Africa authorities aim to vaccinate at least 67% of the population, which is about 40 million people, by the end of the year. South Africa is the hardest hit country in Africa by COVID-19 pandemic, having reported 1,453,761 infections with 44,164 deaths. The figures represent 41.36% of the continent infection and 49.63% of its fatalities. Kamil Sadiq, CBA TV.